So as promised earlier, let's start with understanding the usage of the multiple functions that you have on your calculator. You do have the functions in the form of memory. You have the basic functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You also have the functions in the form of percent. You have the function of memory into that. That's an additional function which is available. We won't talk about the function of GT, that is grand total. And then you all also have the function of checking and correcting the previous information that I need not talk about. You are already aware about that. My basic intention of taking this particular session is to tell you, to inform you, how do you utilize the shortcut functions of the calculator. Why? Because in the calculator, it's not available only for doing plus and minus and multiply and divide. The various short key functions are also available because these short key functions can be used by us in a better way. So let's talk about these all short key functions. Just observe one simple example here. Suppose I have to do the calculation as 590 into 620, 630 into 500, 800 into 90, 210 into 420, 110 into 410. Now we want the answers for these individual calculations and we want the total of that also. All right. What we want is, no, not only the memory function, I'll be telling you the other functions also. Just observe what I'm doing. If you will try to interrupt me in between something like that, it will be a difficult task for me to carry over. All right. So when you want the individual values, as well as if you want the total of that, आम जिंदगी में आप क्या करते हो? In the normal life, what you will do, 590 into 620, that comes to 3,65,800. For the next one, it will be 630 into 500, that is equal to 3,15,000. For the next one, it will be 800 into 90, that is 72,000. For the next one, you'll have 210 into 420 equal to, that comes to 88,200. For the next one, that is 110 into 410, that comes to 45,100. And the total of this comes to 8,86,100. I didn't use the memory function. I have not used the memory function. If you want to check it out, just observe it. 365,800, 3,15,000, 72,000, 88,200 and 45,100, that comes to 886,100. I have not used the memory function for this. Whenever you want to do the straight calculations, direct calculations, and there is nothing involved into that other than those straight simple calculations, in that case, how come 496,100, Mr. Gaurav Patil? Let me check. 590, 620, 630, 500, 890, 210, 420, 110, 410, and that comes to 886,100. Yes, I know it. I have not used the memory function. Still I got the answer. I've not made the individual totals. मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया, इन सब के total नहीं की बात में. 365,800 plus 365,800 plus 3,15,000 plus 72,000 plus 88,200 plus 45,100, that is equal to 886,100. I didn't do something like that. What I did, observe it. I kept on doing the calculations. whatever calculations answers those come on your screen, on your calculator screen, those answers automatically keep on getting accumulated in the GT function. GT is nothing but grand total. So when you are having the direct straight calculations to be done, in that case, what you should be doing is you keep on doing the calculation without pressing the memory button, without doing any kind of memory. You just do those calculations, individual amounts you take, and then simply press GT and you get the answer. All right. This is for the straight, simpler additions only with multiplication. Same as it can be applied for the division also. All right. Like if you want something like this, observe it. 9,65,200 divide by 200, 18,50,500 divide by 2,500, 2,60,510 divide by 170. If you want the answers of these respective values and as well as you want the total of that, what I'll do again, first always remember step 0 should be pressed on whenever you want to do the fresh calculations. On AC जो button होता है ना उसको पहले press करने का. The same kind of function is available in the Casio calculators also, but there are certain variants in which this cannot be done. We are doing it with the help of the standard calculators which are generally being used by many. So in this case, if I want to do it, 965,200 divide 200 equal to, the moment you press equal to button, it gets accumulated into your GT function. I say 18,50,500 divided by 2,500, that comes to 740.20. Then 2,60,510 divided by 170, that comes to 1532.41. And because I want the total of all these three, I'll just press what? GT, grand total function, and that gives me the total of 7,098.61. I'll just cross verify whether this is correct or not. 4826 plus 740.20 plus 1532.41, and that comes to 7,098.61. After equal to, I do the next calculation. Without pressing memory function, without using the memory function, still you are getting the answer, but this can be applied only if there is a straight calculation. This is the usage of the GT function. Just for the sake of understanding, if you want to write it, GT, that is grand total. Once a person presses equal to function, the value gets accumulated. The value gets accumulated in GT. It will only and only get accumulated. All right. Once on AC, all clear is AC, on means switching on, button is pressed, value in GT gets erased. The value in GT gets erased. All right. No calculator Citizen CT512 वाला जो calculator है उसका ये function है. If you do not have GT function, ये तुम्हारी बदनसीबी है बस और कुछ नहीं. See, I am just trying to present in front of you that whatsoever is possible with the available functions. Am I right? Now, suppose the situation is something like this. Still, I can use the GT function for the negative values also. Observe it. Suppose I have to do 200 into 90 plus 600 into 50 plus 900 into 20 minus 100 into 100 नहीं 100 ज्यादा हो जाएगा 100 into 16, right? I have repeated it for so many times, Mr. Yash. CT 512 of Citizen. Observe it now. How do we do the calculations? 200 into 90 equal to 600 into 50 equal to. My first answer came as 18,000. My next answer has come to 30,000. 900 into 20 equal to, that has come to 18,000. Then my fourth calculation, there is a negative sign. So what I'll do, observe it. 100. हर कैलकुलेटर में एक फंक्शन होता है, एक बटन होता है जिसमें प्लस ऑब्लिक माइनस लिखा होता है. When you press that plus oblique minus वाला फंक्शन, तो उसमें नेगेटिव वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो जाती है और पॉजिटिव वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो जाती है. So if I just press that plus minus वाला बटन, I got minus 100 here. Are you able to observe? Into 16. So I got minus 1600 is the value. And then after that, if I press GT, I get the net value as 64,400. And I know this is correct. क्योंकि किसी भी वैल्यू अगर 1000 में से 600 माइनस करूंगा तो 400 ही बचेगा. So 64,400 is the value. I'm not yet using the memory function. Still, I'm getting all the calculations as per the grand total function or the GT function. Am I right for all? I hope I'm going good for everyone. Okay. वैभव तू क्या वो टी टी करने वाला बट कैलकुलेटर लेके बैठा है क्या, जिसमें ऐसा पी 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 करता है, उसमें ये वाले फंक्शन नहीं होते हैं. I'll click the photo of this on, will post it on the WhatsApp group later. कैसियो में भी ये फंक्शंस होते हैं. अच्छा, कैसियो से याद आया, there was this girl, she went to a stationery shop. उसको कैलकुलेटर खरीदना था, तो उसने वो कैलकुलेटर वाले बंदे से पूछा, कैलकुलेटर सॉरी स्टेशनरी वाला जो बंदा था, दुकानदार जो था, उसको कहा भैया कैलकुलेटर देना. तो उसने कहा कैसी हो. लड़की ने रिप्लाई किया मैं ठीक हूं, आप कैसे हो. भाई साहब वापस बोले कैसी हो नहीं, कैसियो का चाहिए क्या. एंड देन शी रियलाइज ओ माय गॉड. वेल एनीवेज, ऐसा होता है नो. ये बंदों के साथ भी हो सकता है, पर बंदों के साथ में कैसियो नहीं हो सकता है ना, इसलिए. CT 500 is also the same kind of calculator. It's also having the same functions. I don't know. I don't know seriously. But this is the standard calculator available in the market which everyone uses. Okay, the next one. Observe it now. Observe it very carefully. Suppose you have to do the calculation something like this. 5 lakh into 20%, and you have to subtract that value from 5 lakh. You have 5 lakh, you want 20% of amount and value after adding or subtracting 20%, दोनों चाहिए। तो आप आम जिंदगी में क्या करोगे? You'll do something like this: 5 lakh into 20 divided by 100, correct? In fact, in every calculator there is this percent function available. वो परसेंट फंक्शन डायरेक्टली डिवाइड बाय 100 कर देता है, तो आपको वापस से करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। सो हाउ विल आई डू दैट ऑन माय कैलकुलेटर? द बेस अमाउंट ऑन विच आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट 20%, I'll press into, I'll press 20 and then I'll press percent and I get the answer as 1 lakh. करेक्ट सर, इतना हमको भी आता है, ये 5 चीजें मत सिखाओ। Now you want the value after adding this 20% or after subtracting. तो आफ्टर एडिंग के लिए आप नॉर्मली क्या करोगे? आम जिंदगी, आम जिंदगी, what will you do? 5 lakh plus 20%, no, not 20%, 5 lakh plus 1 lakh, that is equal to 6 lakh. और उसी तरह से आपको आंसर चाहिए। मेंटोस वाली जिंदगी भी सिखाऊंगा बेटा, रुक जाओ। Then the similar value you want in after subtracting also. After subtracting, if you want this value, how will you do? आम जिंदगी में 5 lakh minus एक पेटी, that comes to 4 पेटीज। ये सुनो, अब मेंटोस जिंदगी, of course, how will I do it? First, what I had done, 5 lakh into 20%. This is the function that we had already done, with which we got already 1 lakh. If I want the value after adding it, I'll simply do what? Plus equal to. Plus equal to. Just observe it. 5 petty, yes, Bhavesh, you were absolutely correct. Into 20%. So you got 1 lakh. And then I press plus equal to, I get 6 lakh rupees as my answer. And similarly, if you want the value after it, after subtracting it, तो मेंटोस जिंदगी में मैं क्या करूंगा? 5 lakh into 20%. This is what you have already done. And now I'll do what? Minus equal to. And you just check it out. So that will be what? 5 lakh into 20% minus equal to, I got the answer as 4 lakh. Mayur, when you do 5 lakh minus 20% directly, in that case you get the net value. आपको सिर्फ नेट वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, आपको कितना अमाउंट है वो भी चाहिए और फिर नेट वैल्यू चाहिए। Did you understand this point? I hope the shortcuts that I'm talking about is helping you. This is not for the sake of doing any time pass. This is for the sake of understanding. And I presume that these all will work for you. At this point in time, you will not be able to realize. But at a later date, when the further topics will come, at that time, you'll surely be having these kind of calculations being used a lot. All right. Okay. I've not yet come on to the memory function. Now, suppose you want the value something like this: 5 lakh six lakh 8 lakh 12 lakh. You want certain percent of each to be calculated and subtracted or added to the values and aggregate of all final values. Aggregate of all final values. You want this all. Like कहाँ use होता है? Trade discount, GST rate. You need what? अब जो bills में print होता है उस तरह से. Trade discount rate, value, net GST rate, value, total. You want these all. आपको हर एक इंडिविजुअल अमाउंट भी चाहिए और उन सबका टोटल जो फाइनल वैल्यूज है उसके टोटल्स भी चाहिए. सपोज यहाँ पे टीडीएस रेट इज 5%, यहाँ टीडीएस रेट सॉरी टीडीएस नहीं ट्रेड डिस्काउंट रेट इज से 2%, हियर द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट इज से 8%, हियर देयर इज नो ट्रेड डिस्काउंट, हियर द जीएसटी रेट इज से 12%, हियर इट इज 12%, हियर इट इज 5% एंड हियर इट इज 18%. आपको ट्रेड डिस्काउंट का भी अमाउंट चाहिए, आपको नेट वैल्यू भी चाहिए, आपको जीएसटी का अमाउंट भी चाहिए और जीएसटी की टोटल जीएसटी मिलाने के बाद टोटल भी चाहिए. आम जिंदगी में हम क्या करेंगे? 5 पेटी इंटू 5%, दैट इज 25,000. फिर अब आपने सीख लिया, डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं हम लोग, माइनस इक्वल टू दैट इज 4,75,000. ये हमारे लिए आम जिंदगी हो गई अब. एंड देन यू डू व्हाट? इनटू 12%, that is 57,000 and plus equal to that will give you 5,32,000 as the final value. Correct? Then 6 petty into 2%, that comes to that comes to 12,000 minus equal to gives me 5,88,000 into 12%, that gives me 70,560 plus equal to that gives me 6,58,560 as the final value. Correct? Then 8 lakh into 8%, that comes to 64,000 minus equal to that comes to 7,36,000. Then into 5%, 36,800 plus equal to that comes to 7,72,800. All right. And then the final one, 12 lakh into 18%, that comes to 2,16,000 plus equal to gives me 14,16,000. ये आपने कैलकुलेशन कर लिया. अब आप क्या करोगे? 5,32,000, 6,58,560, 7,72,800 plus 14,16,000. So that value comes to 33,79,360. करेक्ट? ये हमको कहाँ यूज होता है? नॉर्मली जब हम लोग सपोज किसी को कोई कोटेशन दे रहे हैं and in that quotation we are supplying the multiple products, multiple services, those all combined together, if we have to give the quotation, this kind of calculation is done. All right. तो अब यहाँ पे मेमोरी फंक्शन कैसे यूज करना चाहिए? What you should be doing? You should be doing what? 5 lakh into 5% plus equal, I'm sorry, 5 lakh into 5% minus equal to into 12% plus equal to, that gave you the answer as 5,32,000. Now without wasting any further time, you should press M plus, right? Then 6 lakh into 2% minus equal to into 12% plus equal to, that gave you 6,58,560 m plus 8 lakh into 8%. अब यहां मैं GT का फंक्शन क्यों यूज नहीं कर सकता हूं? बिकॉज मल्टीपल कैलकुलेशंस आर इन्वॉल्व. माइनस इक्वल टू into 5% plus equal to m plus, and then 12 lakh into 12%, I'm sorry, 18% plus equal to m plus MRC, that came to 33 lakh 79,360. Am I right? So that's the usage of the percent function, after that addition subtraction, and the memory function together. Is it right? The final वाला मैं वापस से दिखाता हूं आपको कैसे. Observe it. 5 lakh into 5%, that gave me the value of 25,000. बिकॉज मुझे वैल्यूज चाहिए थी इस वजह से. अगर वैल्यूज नहीं चाहिए होते तो डायरेक्टली मैंने -5% किया होता. माइनस इक्वल टू इंटू 12% प्लस इक्वल टू मेमोरी फंक्शन. जो उस कैलकुलेशन का एंड वैल्यू, फाइनल वैल्यू आया, दैट यू हैव पुट इनटू द मेमोरी फंक्शन m प्लस. जब मेमोरी ऐड करनी हो तो m प्लस, जब मेमोरी सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी हो तो m माइनस. एम आई राइट? देन 6 lakh into 2% minus equal to into 12% plus equal to, that gave me the answer as 6,58,560 m plus. Then 8 lakh into 8% minus equal to into 5% plus equal to m plus. Am I right? And the final one, it is 12 lakh into 18%, that is 2,16,000 plus equal to m plus MRC. And that gave me the answer of 33,79,360. So in addition to your normal calculations, you are using the memory function also. I hope you got this trick also in a finer way. All right. Let me go to the next one. आज बहुत सारे जादू दिखाने वाला हूं मैं तुमको, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुमको सच में लग रहा है कि कैलकुलेटर का बहुत ज्यादा यूटिलाइजेशन है. आज तक हम लोग कैलकुलेटर यूज किया करते थे वो प्लस माइनस इनटू डिवाइड करने के लिए, और वो भी एक एक कैलकुलेशन के लिए. बट व्हेन मल्टीपल कैलकुलेशंस कम, एट दैट टाइम you'll always have the better. Why you must have heard earlier that you should be pressing MRC button twice when your calculation is done is because if you don't press on button after your calculations, then in that case you will not be able to get the correct calculations in the subsequent. वो memory में रह जाता है. कैसियो के कैलकुलेटर में स्पेशली ये प्रॉब्लम है. कैसियो के कैलकुलेटर में ऑन प्रेस करने के बाद भी मेमोरी क्लियर नहीं होती है. That's why MRC, if you press twice, the memory recall and memory clear, both things are done together. Is it right? Okay. Observe it now. Suppose I have to do the calculation something like this, and I want the aggregate of that also. 290 into 320, 410 into 320, 560 into 320, 150 into 320, 496 into 320. These are the various calculations that you are supposed to do. All right. आम जिंदगी में आप क्या करोगे? आप अब वापस जो मैं सिखाते जा रहा हूं वो सारी आम जिंदगी हो जानी चाहिए. उसके अगले वाली स्टेप भी मेंटल जिंदगी लगनी चाहिए हमको. आम जिंदगी में आप क्या करोगे? 290 into 320 m plus, that is 92,800. Why I pressed memory function? Because I want the aggregate of all these. किसी को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा तो m माइनस करूंगा मैं. 410 into 320 m plus 131,200. 560 into 320 equal to, that is 1,79,200 m plus. 150 into 320 equal to 48,000. I put that also in memory. M plus. यहां भी GT यूज कर सकते हैं, absolutely no problem. You can use the GT function, but if there would have been the negative values, that's why instead of using GT, I'm using the memory function. 496 into 320 m plus, that comes to, इनफैक्ट जब आप m प्लस फंक्शन यूज कर रहे हो तो उसके पहले आपको इक्वल टू बटन नहीं भी प्रेस किया तो भी चल जाता है. It does that final value and that is added into memory. And then MRC, that comes to 6,09,920. Are you correct? Let's check out 92,800, 131,200, 179,200, 48,000, 158, 720, and that is 6,09,920. Yes. आप कहोगे सर इतना सब कुछ करने की जरूरत क्या थी? आप डायरेक्टली 290 आप ऐसा कर सकते थे ना, ये तो हमने बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी सीखी हुई है मैथमेटिक्स की, कॉमन मल्टीप्लायर है. तो आई कुड हैव डन समथिंग लाइक दिस, 290 प्लस 410 प्लस 560 प्लस 150 प्लस 496 इनटू 320, आई वुड हैव गॉट द आंसर 6,09,920. इतना सब कुछ करने की क्या जरूरत थी? क्योंकि मुझे इंडिविजुअल वैल्यूज भी चाहिए थे. Are you able to understand this? Now what I do is I just reverse the order. I do something like this. Mentos जिंदगी, ये आम जिंदगी थी. आम जिंदगी. Mentos जिंदगी. What I'll do is I'll first take the common multiplier. What is common multiplier? It is 320. I'll press into 290 equal to, just observe it, into 290 equal to, that comes to 92,800. सर ये क्या दिखा रहे हो आप? ये तो हमको आता है ना. Without pressing anything further, I'll directly press 410 equal to, I got the answer as 1,31,200. Without pressing anything further, I'll directly press 560 equal to 560 equal to 179,200. Without pressing anything further, I'll press what? 150 equal to, so 150 equal to, that comes to 48,000. Without pressing anything further, again कैसियो वालों में भी ये सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं, just wait for it. 496 equal to 1,58,720, and then I'll simply press what? The grand total function, that will give me 6,09,920 as the answer. Did you understand this point? हाँ, the people who have been using Casio calculator, they should be pressing, जो मैंने पहले सिर्फ multiply किया था, instead of that you'll do what? Multiply. All right. Now, very good. GT नहीं है तो memory function है बेटा. In that case, what you can do? See, observe. If you do not have the GT function, then memory function should be used. How do you do that? 320 into 290 equal to m plus. All right. Or even if you directly press m plus, that then also it's fine. Then even in the ORPAT calculator, this kind of function can be used. 410 equal to m plus, 560 equal to m plus, 150 equal to m plus, 496 equal to m plus, MRC 6,09,920. In all the calculators, all types of calculators, the basic function of this reverse calculation is always available when you have the common multiplier. I hope you understood this. Now suppose the next one, the percent function. Again, if you want to use the percent function, how do you do the calculations in that case? Observe it. Suppose you have a value as 3,10,000. You have a value as 4,65,000. You have a value as 5,80,000. You also have the value as 2,50,000. You want to calculate 20% of each. You want to calculate the 20% of each, and you want the total of that 20% only. मतलब इंडिविजुअल 20% हर किसी का कितना होता है वो भी कैलकुलेट करना है, और फिर उसका टोटल भी चाहिए. तो अब आम जिंदगी में क्या करोगे आप? वापस ऑब्जर्व इट. 3,20,000 into 20%, that is 62,000. अगर GT फंक्शन है तो डोंट प्रेस एनीथिंग, और अगर GT फंक्शन नहीं है तो मेमोरी प्लस. 4,65,000 into 20%, that is 93,000. Again, you keep on pressing memory function. 5,80,000 into 20%, 1,16,000 M plus, and 2,50,000 into 20% M plus, that is 50,000. Is it right? You got the individual answers, and then you wanted the total of this, that came to 3,21,000. 3,21,000 is the total of that. Even the grand total will give you the same answer if you have that function. All right. ये हो गई आपकी कौन सी वाली जिंदगी? आम जिंदगी. हाँ है ना? पर साथ ही साथ हमको मेंटोर जिंदगी भी जीनी है. %20 means 0.2 or not? 20 upon 100, that is equal to 0.2. Correct? 20% is 20 upon 100 only. Into 3,10,000. क्यों मैं बार बार into 20% करता रहूं? into 20% क्यों करूं? मैं डायरेक्टली कर सकता हूं ना. 0.2 into 3,10,000 equal to, I got 62,000. Then, without pressing anything further, directly I'll take what? 4,65,000 equal to, that comes to 93,000 M plus. Without pressing anything further, directly what? 5,80,000 equal to 80,000 equal to, that comes to 1,16,000. I put that into memory. Then 2,50,000 equal to 2,50,000 equal to, that comes to 50,000. I put that into also memory, and my final answer again is 3,21,000. See, मैंने क्या किया? मैंने वो हर बार into 20% वाला फंक्शन डिलीट कर दिया. इंस्टेड ऑफ मैंने क्या किया? क्योंकि कॉमन परसेंट है ना सबके लिए, तो मैंने परसेंट का वैल्यू पहले ले लिया. कैसे? 20 डिवाइड बाय 100 इज 0.2, और जब मेरे पास परसेंट का वैल्यू पहले आ गया तो 0.2 into 3,10,000, एंड विदाउट प्रेसिंग एनीथिंग फर्दर, 4,65,000, 5,80,000 equal to 2,50,000 equal to, I got all the answers. Am I right? This has to work. If you practice, हाँ, ये सारी चीजें जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, ये सारी अंडरस्टूड डेवलप्ड काइंड ऑफ चीजें हैं. कैलकुलेटर में फंक्शन तब भी थे जब हमने हमारा सीए चालू किया था, आज भी है, पर तब हमें ये सारे पता नहीं थे. हमने धीरे धीरे सीख सीख के इवॉल्व किया उसके साथ. एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग ओवरनाइट. लर्निंग इज नॉट इनफ. Learning is not enough. You need to practice it. When you practice it, you get more command over it, and you'll start having more confidence on that. MU is the markup function. When you want to charge a specific percentage on a particular value, जैसे मेरे पास कोई कस्टमर आता है, मेरे पास कोई प्रोडक्ट 100 रुपए का आया हुआ है, if I have the value saved in that markup, then I can just press the cost and markup and I get the final value. हर बार मैं into 20% plus equal to करने की जरूरत नहीं है. For that markup function, markup and markdown function होता है, but here you have only markup function. All right. CE is cancel error. If you have made certain calculation error, जब आप टाइप कर रहे हो, suppose अब जैसा यहाँ देखो, suppose I do 0.2 into 3,10,000 equal to, right, अब सपोज 465 की जगह मैंने 465 820 प्रेस कर दिया सपोज, पर ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए, सो आई प्रेस सीई, तो ओनली करंट फंक्शन, करंट जो वैल्यू डाला था वो डिलीट हो जाता है, उसकी जगह आई कैन टेक 4,65,000 इक्वल टू एंड आई विल गेट द सेम आंसर, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इज सीई फंक्शन, कैंसल एरर। कैलकुलेशन में आपने जो वैल्यू ले ली उसमें अगर गलती की तो बैकस्पेस की जगह पूरा का पूरा वैल्यू डिलीट हो सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सीई। MU I said is the markup function that is available for the purpose of adding certain percentage of a particular value. देखिए मेरे को, all right? As far as check, correct, auto reply, these all functions are not of any use at this point in time. Error recall या फिर cancel error, कैसे भी आप बोल सकते हो, all right? I'll stop by here itself. We'll continue in tomorrow's session with the same calculator calculations. Thank you.